Hello, welcome back to the Mambas channel. As usual, it's Rosemary, and today I am reviewing this tablet. It's the Sky Device tablet, the Elite T8 Plus. So we got it through the government assistance program. If you're getting Medicaid, what else, housing, free housing, or social security, military disability, something, one of those. I'm not really sure. I was driving through Walmart. I had seen a messenger about it, but as soon as they asked me my social, I refused to continue on the Facebook market. But then I went to Walmart, and on my way out, I saw a canopy, and then I went there, and long story short, so I got that. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it and see what it looks like, and then set it up. So click the subscribe button and let's get started. Probably should have gotten. All right. And so I'm gonna bring the camera close by so we can see for sure what it looks like. So they already activated it over there. You just pay $11 activation fee. So, and look, that's the SIM card was already gone. They already put in there, activated it, and no monthly fee according to them. But we'll see if it works. I try to stay away from anything free. Nice. That's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and open it up. I think I will remove. So I'm gonna turn it on. Don't mind my phone reflection. So it restarted by itself. It's not English. It already came with a full battery. I mean half battery almost half. So I'm not gonna connect to the internet because it's supposed to have its own, what do you call it, in there. So I'm just gonna skip it if I can find skip. I'll do setup offline. Setup offline. Just a second. So Google services, I think this is where you can go ahead and read and then install, accept. Security pin, I'm just gonna do 0000 for now. We'll enter the pin. You can choose whatever number you want. Numbers. I just love how Oh, is that okay? So I guess this is the screen. This is the home. Okay, so, and that is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh, I see 4G. So it does have its internet. I'm gonna go ahead and download some things so I can, where's my Play Store? Let me try using the mobile, it's actual internet to browse YouTube. I'm gonna sign in on my Gmail. So I'm not connected to my Wi-Fi, guys. So I put in my email. I put my email, the Gmail, and then I click the next button. So it says welcome, blah blah blah, read whatever. I agree. Get an account info. So it's just the same way you set up your Android devices. So if you want to easily restore your data, stuff. I might end up using the Kate's login details for this tablet so they can use the YouTube. So that's it with the YouTube. I'm gonna try play a video. I'm gonna try play this music video. So hopefully I don't get a warning from YouTube. Copyright warning. Okay, let's get out. So I would say it has a lot of delayed response. It delayed a little, but then I don't know. They said the internet is unlimited, everything, so kind of delayed a little bit. Trying to Google something, see how fast it can Google. It's so slow. Elite T8 Sky device. Let's see how fast it searches without being connected to the internet, guys. At this time, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for the next unboxing. Anyway, so that's what the tablet looks like for free. I don't know how long it's gonna take before it stops working and all that, but yep. Let's see what the camera looks like. Does it have a camera? Yes, it does. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture. So I tried to take 2 pictures. I was a little still. This is the back camera, was a little blurry twice now. But it's not that bad, just don't expect it to be as clear as the phone quality. The front camera, let's see. So I took a picture with the front camera and that is what it looks like. Let's go to the settings and see what we got. I'm not a tech person, so it's 24 gig. So this is probably how many gig? 32 gig storage total. Everything. And there was something I wanted to check that I'm not able to. But anyway, it has its Wi-Fi and its Bluetooth and all that stuff if you want. You can download some calling app. That way you can, I think I'll download Skype or Zoom, some other kind of calling app so I can use it. I'll download Zoom. That way I can use it for Zoom calls while connected to the internet, of course. Well, I'm going to go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi. So I'll connect my Wi-Fi now. Went to the mobile network to see what network. I wanted to see what network it uses. Uses T-Mobile. No wonder. Just for personal purpose, if this was AT&T, I just felt like it would be better. So 8 days left. So I guess I got 2 gig total, and I have 8 days left. But I was told it was unlimited everything. But anyway, you don't have to pay monthly or anything like that. Anyway, so that's that. I don't know anything else I can say. This is an 8-inch. This is an 8-inch tablet. Forgot to say that. It's 8 inches. All right, guys, that's all. Hopefully yours is a little better, but that's what they look like. Thank you so much for watching. hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, and I'll see you in our next video. Love you. Bye.